Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what it is a vacuum cleaner that you can use basically anywhere you guys want to. But if you guys take a look at the brand right here, it's by 70 Mind. So if you guys don't remember, I actually made a couple of videos for different products from this brand, ranging from like dash cams to like tire pressure monitors, and the list goes on. So this brand definitely makes a lot of good high quality products. So first thing first, let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. So when we first open the package itself, this is basically what it looks like. Very nice little packaging. Here we have the actual vacuum itself. So let's take that out first. So this is the vacuum cleaner right here. And then right here are all the accessories. So let me take out each one and show you guys what is provided. So on this box right here, let's see what's inside. So for this one, they provide you a little brush head, I believe. So you guys can actually use this to vacuum like certain parts where you guys can't reach, especially in your car when you guys can't reach certain parts that are in the edge or the side. You guys can actually use this to actually reach that little corner or whatnot. And then also in the same box, they provide you a user manual of all the functionalities that's on the product itself and how to set up and whatnot. So it looks like they provide you a USB to a USB-C cable right here, and then they also provide you a brush head. So this brush head is a little bit different than the other one, and let me show you guys what I mean. So if you guys take a look, that's the main difference between both of these. One of them has a little brush head, so you can actually sweep certain part up. This one doesn't have it. This one just sucks everything up onto this little accessory right here. And then the last thing that they provide you in this box right here is a nice little baggie that can actually carry the actual device itself, which is pretty cool. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me actually show you guys the actual product itself. So when we take this part out, this is basically what the vacuum looks like. It has that little logo right here. There's the power on and off switch right here. Indicator light for the battery life right here. On the side right here and right here, it has that very nice kind of ventilation to suck up all the dirty air through the HEPA filter and everything, and then it comes out with the fresh air right here. I really love the design of the actual vacuum itself. You don't see anything like this in the market. Like the material on the actual product itself definitely feels high quality. And if you guys take a look at the design right here, it looks kind of like a Dyson fan or whatever. And then they have a very nice little cover that you can actually remove it. So when you move it like that, this is basically what it looks like. So basically all you guys kind of have to do is like turn on the product like this by clicking like this, and it turns on. So one thing to note is that when you guys use the brush head, some of the hair might get stuck on it, so you guys might want to use the regular vacuum itself without the brush head. So let me take out the brush head to show you guys what I mean. So basically all the hair that you just saw from the actual brush head itself, it got stuck, and I just removed all of them out, and this is all the hair that's inside. So basically what I want to do now is just vacuum it without the brush head right here and see what happens. So it sucked up the hair and everything pretty well. I'm not sure if I can see inside or not, but it's all in there. So let me go dump it out now. Basically now I want to open this part up. So to twist it to the right and then dump out the trash. Alright, so we're going to open this component right here and take it out. And you should see a lot of dust right here inside. So you can see all the hair that's stuck in there. Pour everything out. And as you can see, there's a lot of dust right there. And basically how you guys want to clean that part is just by using a piece of paper, or you guys want to use like a brush head or something to wipe it all off. But you guys don't want to use water or whatever to rinse it, because it might damage the product itself. So it's quite loud and whatnot if you guys can hear from the attach itself. But once you guys suck up all the dust in here, you guys can just open up like this. Just turn it to the right side like that. Take it out. Then you guys can see there's the HEPA filter right there. Inside, this is basically what it looks like right there. You guys can just remove the HEPA filter like this, dump out the dust like that. And then you guys can clean up the HEPA filter by using a brush to clean it and wipe it off really easily. And then once you guys finish cleaning it, just put it back in place. Make sure it's locked correctly, just like that. And you guys can start using it again. And what's really cool about this vacuum is the fact that it has a USB-C output, so you can use that option to charge it. So you guys can actually fast charge this vacuum if you guys need it quickly and whatnot. Now let's talk about the battery life on the product itself. How long does it last? Based on the listing itself, it says that it's supposed to last up to 24 minutes. Probably have to say that it probably lasts around 20 minutes, because usually for these products it lasts roughly around 15 to 20 minutes, especially since it's wireless. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me actually go do a quick test to show you guys how to charge the product and how you guys know when it's charging, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have the product right here. We're going to plug it in to show you guys when it works or not. Alright, so we have plugged it in. You guys can see that it's charging, the blue indicator light right here. Right now it's not blinking or anything because it's very fully charged. So when it's charging, you should be able to see a light blinking right here. So that's how you guys know when it's charging and when it's not fully charged. But right now it is fully charged. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you can see it actually does work really easy to charge and everything. So now that we did the unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this is definitely worth it if you guys need one of these. Especially because of the fact of how well designed. I think if I had to be really honest of all like the vacuums, wired or wireless that I've tested so far, this is definitely one of my favorite ones that I've tested so far in this channel because of the overall design. You guys can feel the premium quality on the actual product itself, the ease of using it, the fact that it uses a USB-C cable, so you guys can basically use this anywhere you guys want to. And then like the overall maintenance of the actual product itself is easy as well, like easy to clean, easy to manage, and really easy to kind of like charge and everything. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification on the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have